Repricer offers unrivaled functionality, and we have a put your profit first mentality. It doesn't matter how big you are, Repricer can support you, be you a customer with 1 SKU or 20 million. What we try to do is ensure that you make more profit. That way, rather than you thinking of Repricer as an expense, we want you happy to pay it because we're making you more money. Right away, Repricer uses Amazon's cloud infrastructure right in the heart of Amazon's own systems to ensure that we are made aware of any price changes right away, can reprice those changes, and update Amazon within seconds. This ensures you're always ahead of your competition. We also use our unique priority lane feature to ensure that your price changes go up faster than your competition, so you're always in the best place to secure the buy box. One word: complete control. Well, that's 2 words, but still. With Repricer, from the first moment you start your account, you're in safe mode. With safe mode, we can reprice your products within Repricer so you can see the results you're going to get before affecting your Amazon account. This is perfect for testing and ensuring that the system's going to do what you want. Beyond that, in the actual repricing engine itself, you could compete differently with different fulfillment types. For example, you can beat, ignore, price above, or match your competitors if they're FBA, MFN, SFP, or Amazon themselves. FBA sellers are much more likely to secure the buy box, so why would you beat them by the same amount as an MFN seller? These are just 2 of the literal 100+ features that Repricer offers to help increase your profits and sell more. Absolutely. Repricer's Buy Box Optimizer will intelligently increase your price when you hold the buy box, ensuring you can make more profit while you hold it. Better yet, you can use our Buy Box Threshold feature, which intelligently understands what the margins are to secure the buy box, so you never price outside of them. That way you are always eligible for the buy box, no matter what. It couldn't be easier. All you need to do is log into Repricer and link your Amazon account, which is a 2-minute process. Once it's been linked, Repricer will pull in your inventory and even give you a starter rule. With that rule, you can start repricing right away, and will even help you set your initial min-max prices. This is great to get started with only just a few minutes. Once you're set up, you can then fine-tune your rule, your min-max, and explore the hundreds of other features available within Repricer. When it comes to the results on Repricer, almost all of our customers see not only an increase in sales, but an increase in margin. To ensure that you are one of those sellers who make the increase, you would work with our support team and our onboarding team. They can help you get started on your account, fine-tune the rules to your business so you can get the most out of the service. We don't want you to think of Repricer as a cost or an expense. We want you to be happy to pay it because you're making more profit with every day.